In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly adjust a scheduled event in Calendly. Whether you're juggling multiple meetings or simply need to shift the time for a single meeting, I've got you covered with a straightforward process to reschedule effectively while ensuring that all involved parties stay informed. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Calendly and logging into your account. Once you're in, you need to locate the scheduled event you want to adjust. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so with a few clicks, you'll be right where you need to be. Now, head on over to the tab that says Meetings. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your upcoming events. It's neatly organized, making it easy to spot the specific event that requires your attention. When you've identified the event you wish to reschedule, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a detailed view of the meeting, including the original time, date, and all invitees involved. Pay attention to ensure that you're working with the correct meeting, as this is where you'll find the next step in the rescheduling process. You need to focus on the name of the invitee you wish to reschedule with. Click on their name, and you'll see an option to reschedule invitee. This option is crucial for initiating the rescheduling process, aiming for a hassle-free experience both for you and the guest. With the reschedule option activated, it's time to select a new time slot. This is your opportunity to find a time that works better for both parties involved. Calendly's interface will show you all available slots, making it straightforward to select a time that fits perfectly into your schedule. Take a moment to consider any potential conflicts that could arise to ensure a smooth transition. Once you've finished selecting the new date and time, double-check your choice to avoid any scheduling errors. After making sure everything looks good, proceed to click Update Event. This step is crucial as it finalizes the changes and solidifies the new meeting details in your calendar. One of the great features of Calendly is its automated notification system. After you've hit Update Event, your invitee will automatically receive a notification about the new meeting time. This means there's little to no chance of miscommunication, allowing you to rest easy knowing that everyone is on the same page and the rescheduling is acknowledged. And there you have it. You have successfully adjusted your meeting in Calendly, keeping everything organized and up to date. Whether you're frequently rescheduling meetings or doing it just this once, this method ensures that everything is handled smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made rescheduling in Calendly a breeze for you.